Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the part 3 of the topic this determinants or the master of that one. So this is the question given over here. The system of linear equation 5, these are the two equations and this will be consistent. So let us write this equation. When you rearrange this we get minus 5 and that is 0. So this will be equation number 1. Again this we write it over, we arrange this is going to be minus 5, that is 0. This is equation number 2. So now we want this one be the consistent mean by the rule of consistency. So when we are comparing this and this one, so what do we get? 5 by 3. And when we compare this and this, that is because that is a y, that we get k by 3. Why would do where that is not equal to? Because we have a1 by a2 is equal to not equal to b1 by b2. So now 3k is not equal to 15. So k will be what? This 3 will go on the other side. This will remain here. So that is going to be k is not equal to 5. Now let us take this equation. This question here. So here this is A is this matrix and this given B is this. So we have to find out AB and these are the equations given. So now let us take this board down over here. So now let us take the product of it. This into this here, that is 0. Again this into this 2, minus 2, 0, 2, minus 2, and here is 0. So this is done. This will be minus 6, 2, then 4, 4, minus 1, minus 2, 4, minus 1, minus 2, then 4, minus 1, minus 3, 4, minus 1, minus 3. So this is done now for here. 0, 4, and here minus 4. 0, 4, minus 4. Then 0, minus 2, 3. So here 0, minus 2 and this 2 and then here 0, minus 2 and this is 3. Sorry, yeah, this is correct. Yeah, so here when you solve this you just add and see, you get this matrix. So this is nothing but 3 by 3, which is the identity matrix. So what do we write here? AB is nothing but, this is nothing but I. So now here we have B inverse, that is A. So this is the matrix. So this is equation number 1. So now let us see these equations given over here. So the equations given over here. So this can be also written as this one. So how do we write here? See, this is x, y, and we don't have anything z. So how will we write here? The coefficient of this is 1. So 1 minus 2. We don't have anything means that is going to be z is going to be 0. Here this is 2. Here is nothing means that is minus 1. Nothing means that is going to be minus 1. And see here this is y and z. We don't have anything over x over here. So that should be 0, minus 2, and this is 1. So this is very important, how to put the values over there. And now these are the x, y, z, and let us take this right side, that is 3, 2, and 3. So now this is similar to this equation, that is the B transpose, that is x is equal to C. So when we want to find out the value of x, that will be B transpose means 1 by, when you take it on the other, that will be 1 by B transport, and this is C. And here this will be, when you take this in the numerator, that will be B transport, that will be the inverse of that one. And we can also write this as, we can take minus 1 inside, because if you write your minus 5 into 1 or 1 into minus 5, both is the same. So now see here, so this is when we are putting here B inverse transpose. So now B inverse, we have that given over here, that is the B inverse is already given over here. So now we put that B inverse over here, that is the transpose we have already done over here, and C is here. So this is C. So that is the value of here. So now look at here. So what are you going to do? X is here. So now here when you solve this one, so what are you going to get here? So here will be minus 9 and this will be So actually, this is actually the B inverse, but we want a transpose. Sorry, for the transpose of this. So this is what we have done. This is the transpose of it. So here's here, 3 and this 2 will go here. This 2 will go here because this is actually, yeah, this is the transpose of it. Okay. So you can write here x is equal to, this is the B inverse transpose. Okay. But just if we are taking a B inverse here, so that is going to be again here, this is going to be minus 3 here. This 2 will go here, this will go here, this will go here, this will go here, and this will go here, and this will be the same. Hope you got it. So here, this is so we want a transpose of this one. Okay, so this is the transpose of this one. So now we are going to multiply this one. So minus 9 plus 4 plus 6. Then this is minus 4. Then this into this is going to be minus 6 plus 2, and this is plus 3. And here, what are we going to do? This will be minus 12. Sorry, this will be 4, and this is going to be 9. So this is what is written over here. So when you solve this one, that should be 1 minus 1 and 1. So whatever we got this one, this is the value of xyz. So here is xyz, that is 1 minus 1 and 1. Okay. So now what will be the value of x is 1, y is minus 1, and this is z is 1. So now we have the next, this is the determine the product of these are the matrix given and use it to solve the equations these are the equations given. So now look at here, this same the matrix first I wrote over here. So when we solve this one, how are we going to get this into this into this, and this into this, same over here. Then this into this into this into this is what I wrote over here. This into this into this is into this is what I wrote over here. Then this part is done. Now let us go for this one. This into this into this into this. So here, so this is here. Then this into this into this, and this into this is here. And then this into this into this, and this into this is over here. So this is done. Now we'll go for this one. So this into this into this into this is over here. Then this into this and this one, that is over here. Then this is over here. So when you add and subtract whatever that is, so you get here 8, 0, 0, 0, 8, 0, 0, 0, and this is 8. And see, can you see here? The matrix is, the identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. So this comes 1. But here what you can see, this is 8. So what will be that? This 8 you can take as common. That will be 8 into I. So now we have A is given. Same over here. We can consider this as A and this as B. So A is this and B is here. So AB what we got here, this whatever we got, this is, when we added this we got as A, this one. So AB is 8. So multiplying both sides when we do by B. Now see here, for this one, we are going to multiply both sides by B inverse. So when we multiply this one, we get A as 8, B inverse. So what will we do this one? This 8 will bring on this side. So that will be A by 8. That is B inverse. So the equations are given over here. So now what are we going to do here? This 1, 1, 1. 1 minus 2 minus 2. 1 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 2 minus 2. Then 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3. And these are the variables x, y, z. And this is the right hand side 4, 9, 1. So now we have, this is bx is, whatever we got this as, that is c. So we have bx is equal to c. So x value will be c, this divided by b. So this is nothing but when we take b on the others, in the numerator, that will be b inverse of c. So we can write here x by c is also b inverse. So what we got here, x by c, b inverse, we already got over here. B inverse is what? A by A. Okay. So B inverse is A by 8. So in place of B inverse, we wrote A by 8. and this x c. Anyways, you can write it either you write it x by c is equal to a by 8, or you can also put one step over here. This is nothing but x by c is a by 8. So because b inverse is this one, right? So x will be what? This c will go over here. So can you see here? That is a by 8 c. So now this we can also write this as this xyz is equal to a by 8 means that is nothing but 1 by 8 into a. So separately we wrote here n by this one 1 by 8, and a is this matrix that is already given in the start. So this we have considered as a, and this c is this one 491. So now what are you going to do? Again, what are you going to do? This you write as it is. Now again you are going to multiply this, keep on multiplying, and you get this one. Again you will multiply this one, you get this. And again when you multiply this, you get this one. So now what you can do, when you solve this, you get this thing, and 1 by 8 is as it is. So now here, this xyz on the left hand side same. Now look at here, this into this means 1 by 8 into 24, that is going to be 3. Then here, now look at here, 1 by 8 into minus 16. So this is going to be minus 2. Now here, look at this and this, 1 by 8 into minus 8. So that is going to be minus 1. So we want the value of xyz. So x is 3, y is minus 2, and z is minus 1. Actually, these all the problems are very long, but just look at the matrix and just keep on scrolling over here, and you can again check it how it is done. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.